What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hello, how are you? What's up, what's good? My name is Shara and welcome. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing a hairstyle with you guys. It's my go-to, and with the hairstyle, I'm going to be showing you just a different technique on how I wave my hair. And I like this because it's simple, it's easy, and it's quick. Being a mom, I'm always on the go, and literally ain't no one got time to do their hair. I'll beat my face all day, but when it comes to hair, I do the bare minimum. So this is one of those things that it looks like I spent time on when I literally just spent less than 10 minutes on. It's always the one in my book when I can just speed up the process and get it done with the quickness. With that being said, the hair tool that I'm going to be pulling out is in the NUME OCTOWAND, and I did feature a video on this before. I used the really funny looking wand, this one right here, the last time that I featured this video, but we're gonna go in with a different one this time. One of my favorite things about this wand is the 8 barrels included, and literally just how easy and compact it is. So that is really a convenience. Today I'm going to go in with the 25mm curling wand, and to hook it up is super simple. You just find the groove, make sure it latches in just like so, and you can see right here it has the lock and unlock feature. Once that is in, you just turn the swivel and then that will automatically lock in right there. That's when you know that it's ready to use, and it's literally just not gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna go ahead, turn the power button on, and it starts to heat up pretty much automatically. This wand gets hot. That's the one thing that I can definitely stand by with the NUME wands. I have actually 2 different, maybe 3. I have quite a few NUME wands. I've been riding with them for years now. Definitely a hair tool that I stand by. I continuously have purchased their wands in the past because they're just that good. You can also adjust the temperatures. You can go down low, you can go down high, and the highest that it does go is 450 degrees. If you are wondering, all the ones that I've owned have gone up to 450 degrees. If I do have product on my hair, I put this Shea Moisture dry shampoo in it, and this has been sitting in it while I was doing my makeup. I also put a heat protectant in it, and then I also put some hairspray in it, just kind of like evenly distributed that. I am gonna go in with a oil treatment just at the end so that dryness and whatnot doesn't get gross, you know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and distribute this dry shampoo because it needs it. I'm just gonna put in this oil treatment real quick, and I like to just work that right in my ends, and already I can feel how much of a difference it makes, just kind of boosting that hydration back into the ends of my hair. Once the prep is complete, we're going to start the process of getting the waves in. And the one thing that I do like about the way I curl and wave my hair is the parting method. That is the main thing that gets the job done and gets it going pretty quick. Before, I used to kind of part it like this.
Any ideas? And
then work my way up. I haven't been doing that for a while now, and I part it vertically like this. And I'll grab a strand, just like the whole strand. We'll go ahead, brush it out. Grab my curling wand, work halfway, and then I am going to curl away from my face, especially when it comes to working with the front area of your face. So you're just gonna curl away, and then you're just gonna let go, and then you have your first wave. As you can see, I kind of left the ends kind of straight. I don't like to mess with the ends too much. I do like that look of it just looking straight. Go ahead and do that again. I'm gonna just grab a layer, part it up just with my finger. We're not going super fancy here. You can see I've parted it. Good little piece. Depending on how much you part it, if you go thick, you're gonna obviously need to leave the curling wand on your hair for a little bit longer. But if you go like a decent size, it's not too big, but it's not too thin, you can leave it on there for about like 10 seconds, 12 seconds, depending on how good your curling wand is. Usually with these NUME ones, I like to leave them on like 10 seconds the most. They get hot. Pulling the wand and my hair tight just so it can get into that curl, and we're just gonna let go. So this is the same process we're gonna do literally all around the head. Just do a vertical part and then go halfway to the hair. You're not gonna go all the way up, halfway, and then just curl from then on. Leave out the end, of course, and then let go. And once you get towards the back, it's literally dummy proof. You just keep doing the same process. You can change up the curl pattern and go in, or you can go out. It really is up to you. You cannot mess up this hairstyle. Like, this one's a thicker piece, so I'm gonna leave it on there for like an extra 5 seconds. And now you can see how I've already done half my head and it's been like a couple minutes. It goes quick. Okay, so let's go ahead, speed up the process, and I'll show you the next step once we get it all good. Finished the curling process, and this is what it looks like. How I do this particular look, I half it right down the middle, and then I curl away from my face the whole time. We're gonna go ahead and let it cool completely. I go ahead, I don't know, do my lips, or I touch up the rest of my face. But since we've already done that, we ain't gotta worry about it. And once it's already cooled down, you'll be able to tell, like, okay, it's cool. I go ahead and start to piece the curls by just pulling them out of the strand. And you'll notice, like, some strands look a little bit more curlier than the others. If you feel like that the curl didn't catch as much, like right here, I'm starting to notice it doesn't really look as wavy as I'd like, I'll go ahead, just grab that little strand, recurl that strand as we're touching it up, piecing it apart. We're gonna look to see if there is any pieces you need to retouch up. Usually if I touch it up, it is something super quick. And then those pieces that you kind of just touch up, just kind of let them sit for a little bit as you go to this side and just start pulling this side apart. And then once you've done that, just you can go ahead, go back into those pieces that you quickly touched up and just kind of pull them apart. And I do want to mention, for these front pieces right here, I do like to go a little bit higher in the curl once I get it where I want it. And then we'll go ahead and do that. So then your hair just kind of frames away from your face, and it just makes it look a little bit more put together. And then it looks like you spent like 40 minutes on your hair when you really didn't spend that much time on your hair at all. And if I decide to wear a hat, I could totally wear a hat and show you guys right now. The curls literally sit right where you want them, and it makes it look that much more put together. And now you're ready. You ready to go to the beach. Well, maybe not the beach because, you know, quarantine problems, but hopefully soon enough they'll open up. You're at least ready to go to the grocery store and walk the miles and get your food. That is everything for this video. Like this video if you found it helpful, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'd greatly appreciate it. I'll also list my Twitter. Wait, actually, I don't fuck with Twitter like that. I just can't get into it. I don't know what it is about Twitter that I just can't get into. I kind of just basically stopped posting my Twitter on most of my recent videos. So I'll just list my Facebook page, my Instagram. I am heavy on my personal Instagram. I'll post that as well. My beauty Instagram, I'm here and there. Mom life got me more on my personal Instagram, but I do post on my beauty page. So definitely go check those two out. Oh, and I do want to make a little announcement. I'm not sure if you've noticed or not, but I changed my name on my YouTube channel. It used to say Tease Blend Glam. It was Tease Blend Glam for the longest, and then I don't know, I just did not fall in love with it. I haven't been in love with that name, and I just wanted to change it. I didn't know what to change it to, and then I was like, you know what, let me just stop trying to think of another name that I probably am gonna end up hating and just use my original name. Honestly, I'm just trying to embrace my first name. It's always been a struggle throughout the years because of the way it's spelt. A lot of people can't pronounce it, and it is just crazy long, but Shara for short, and then obviously just stuck my last name in that, Shara Castro, and I was like, you know what, let me just leave it at that. And I like it. I like the change. It just looks so much more sleeker. It has my name on there, and I was like, let's do it. So that's what it is now, and I'm completely in love with it. And I changed my YouTube banner. I switched that up, just kind of revamped my whole YouTube page a little bit, and I like it. I'm so excited about it. So if you haven't checked out my YouTube banner, go check it out, and it has all my info on there as well. So yeah, I guess that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.